Hi, this is my submission for Project1 Wikipedia. So first, we'll talk about the entry page. If I go to the URL and type in wiki / whatever the entry is, say it's Python, it'll take me directly to the entry page for Python, and this is the Markdown content in that file called Python and translated to HTML with the safe filter. Then, if we went to the URL and say I type some entry, but it doesn't exist, it gives me a message that says the page pizza does not exist, or the page whatever you type does not exist. Now let's talk about the index page. If I press home, this is the index page with the link to all the entries, or all the entries that exist. So we can press Django and it gives me all of that content from the Markdown file and this edit button, and all of these are functional as well. Next, we can talk about the search function. So let's say I go to the search function and type Python. It'll take me directly to that entry page, or we can try the same with CSS, that works too. But let's say I type something like a substring of some sort, like Y though. It will give me a list of results where the result contains that substring. We can try A2. These are just tests, and as you can see, these results all have the letter A in them, and we can press and it'll take you to that entry page. Now we can talk about the new page function. We press create new page, it gives us this form here. This is for the title of the entry, and this is the actual content. So let's see here, I want to create a file called pizza, and if I learned about the Markdown syntax, so for example we can do bold and other things like that, and when we press submit it should accept and translate that content, and as you can see that worked, and we do not need two pizzas, so as we can see there. And if the user tries to, say, create a file or an entry, but it already exists, it will return this that says this page already exists, try again. But now we can see, because I created pizza, that pizza is there and that's saved as that file in the entries section of the source code. Now we can talk about edit page. If I click on an existing entry and press edit, it pre-populates the form with the existing content. So let's say I want to change the title to HTML edit. Let's see. This is a test edit. Then I'll press submit and it should save the content like that. And as we see, this is an HTML edit, this is a test edit, so the edit button is fully functional and such. Now let's talk about the random page. So here's the random page button. If I click it, it will take me to a random entry. And you can basically click it as many times as you want, and it should be randomly generating. So yeah, that is my project. Thank you for watching.